Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for March 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. So, let's begin. Scorpio. Energies for you ngayong March 2025. We have the 8th house. We have Saturn in Sagittarius. So, I see a lot of exploration tungkol sa mga bagay na hindi mo pa alam or nadidiscover sa sarili mo. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng you will discover your hidden talents or maaring meron kang learning about the esoteric, anything about your spiritual needs. Pwede ring you are interested in astrology or anything na nasa esoteric, no? So, pwedeng you are exploring your talents pagdating sa tarot reading, astrology, anything like that. Anything related sa divination. Some of you naman, maaring magiging very much interested kayo sa dark history or yung mga mysterious na stories, like yung mga true crime, ganyan. Yung iba naman, maaring meron kayong i-explore sa inyong sexuality. Let's say, it is your first time to explore a relationship or connection with someone na you've never tried before. Okay? So, kayo na lang bahalang umintindi kung paano yung sinasabi ko, but it's like a discovery about the deeper side of yourself. Maari ring you will also try gambling, yung pagsusugal, or taking out a loan, car loan, pwedeng home loan, or personal loan. Just make sure na alam mo yung pinapasok mo. Kasi pwedeng maging challenging yan sa'yo in the future. Okay? You have Hagalas here. Hagalas is about crisis. Or some sort of challenges in your finances. Kaya kailangan rin ready ka. Okay? Yung mga iti-take mo na risk, it should be calculated, well calculated. Otherwise, baka maging problema mo lang in the long run. No? You have, this is Tiwas, this is leadership. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong leadership role na makukuha ngayong March, or pwede itong i-award sa'yo na may promotion ka, or merong ibibigay sa'yo na mas mataas na posisyon or responsibility sa trabaho. Or pwedeng sa business mo, you are taking a higher responsibility for your business. So, this is about victory as well. Kung meron kang situation, grupo na ili-lead, maaring kayo ay manalo. You also have Wunyo. So, Wunyo is about happiness, joy, and pleasure. So, this makes sense, no? Kasi 8th house is also about your sexuality, your sexual connections. So, maaring i-explore mo rin yung mga bagay na nagdadala ng pleasure sa buhay mo. So, baka nasabi ko na pressure kasi maaring iba sa inyo nape-pressure kayo, lalo na if you are in a relationship and maybe your person is really asking you na may mga gawin na outside of your comfort zone. So that's why you are exploring. Okay. So let's see what else. Scorpio. Aquarius energy, which is collaboration, working with others. You have Scorpio energy, investigate. Okay. And then Pisces. Wow. Water. Water is about emotions, your instinct, your intuition. So I think ngayong March, magiging very sensitive ka sa nararamdaman mo or sa energy sa paligid mo. If there's someone na nagiging interested sa'yo, you will know. You will just know. Kahit na hindi siya nagsasabi or hindi siya nagpapakita ng interest, you will just know. And I also see you collaborating with others dahil sa meron kayong parehong interest, may pareho kayong talents. So example is kang musician, no? It's either you play musical instruments or you are a vocalist. So maaring you will be working with others for a project. Gagawa kayo ng kanta or magiging part kayo ng isang concert. So that's just an example, but that's the whole idea na meron kayong pagsasamahan ng mga taong pareho kayo ng interes sa buhay. Okay, your overall energy is the Apprentice of Pentacles. This is about learning. This is about starting new things and taking action. Kumbaga, you might be starting small, pero meron tong malaking potential na lumaki. So this can be starting your own business. So malaki yung potential niyan, lalo na kung open ka sa mga bago mong pag-aaralan or mga dapat mong malaman sa pagnenegosyo. Sa trabaho naman, if you are always willing to attend trainings, to learn, to improve yourself, then definitely meron tong magandang magiging resulta for your career. So let's see your challenge. The Four of Wands. So, pwedeng may challenging situation sa family, sa home life ninyo. Maari ring merong event na pupuntahan ka na pwedeng magkaroon ka ng challenging encounter with someone. Na tipong hindi mo nagustuhan yung pagtrato sa'yo, nung taong yun. Pwede ring challenging situation sa family mo or sa parents mo. But I think you will be celebrating something, no? May isa-celebrate ka ngayong March. Para siyang milestone or like a start of a project. So, kumbaga, ini-inspire mo na agad yung sarili mo. And then, your opportunity, the Eight of Wands. You have the opportunity to do a lot of work ngayong March. I also see travel opportunities by air, no? Yung tipong sasakay ka ng airplane, pupunta ka sa airport. Ano ba yung joke na yun, no? Basta ganun. So, sasakay ka ng airplane para mag-travel. So, international travels or long travels to. Pwede rin domestic, syempre, kung sa Luzon ka, pupunta ka sa Visayas or sa Mindanao, no? But I see you becoming very busy. Parang yung magiging part ka ng isang grupo na may pagta-travel. So, pwedeng sasali ka sa mga yung mga pooling, ang tawag doon pag nagta-travel, yung grupo kayo magta-travel, ganon. And then, your focus is the Apprentice of Wands. This is about adventure. So, ang focus mo ngayong March is to go on adventure. Kaya medyo natatawa ko kasi like what I mentioned kanina, you may be exploring your sexuality or your sexual connections ngayong March. And as focus, which is adventure, so maaring magiging adventurous ka pagdating sa sarili mo, sa sexuality mo, at sa connection mo sa iba. And then, your blessing is the Elder of Wands. Oh, okay. So, a lot of opportunities na darating sa'yo. It's like having fun. Gagawa ka ng mga activities na magiging masaya ka. Oh my God, romance is in the air, Scorpio. You will be also connecting romantically. Triumph over troubles and obstacles. So, meron ditong victorious situation for you. In need of help, assistance, and guidance. So, maari rin kailangan mo ng tulong, but yung tulong na yan, don't worry, someone is also willing to help you. Doing something risky and taking a chance. So, yung iba sa inyo, medyo magiging risk taker. So kumbaga, well-calculated risk lang para iwas sa problema. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.